I don't think my oxygen levels have been this crisp ever. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Litzy. If you're new here or if you are returning, welcome. Thank you so much for being here, for your presence, for your support. I love you guys and I thank you guys for showing up, not only for me but for you yourself as well. On this channel we basically talk about spirituality, the growth within that, my own personal growth and evolution, but how that also connects to the whole consciousness and each person individually, and that growth within yourself and what resonates and what doesn't resonate. This is a safe, open space for everyone to just be a space for everyone to love and, you know, be in the energy of love. So yeah, on this channel we basically talk about spirituality, growth and guidance, not only within myself but within you guys. And these are the last few days of my Oregon trip, so enjoy. During this clip the volume was a bit low, so I decided I would just do a little voiceover about basically what I was saying on this clip. And basically what I was saying is that if we're supposedly like evolutions of monkeys or whatever, doesn't it make sense to return back to nature, to return back to that energy of groundedness and live in that way of living? Obviously now with like the things that we have gained and like evolved into, but like returning back to Mother Nature, returning back to giving to her instead of stripping her away from everything she's given us. So that's basically what I was saying on here. Like, it doesn't make sense to just return back to Mother Nature, because that was a message I was getting throughout this whole trip. And also the fact that being in Oregon, since it was so like everything just was, there was so much nature, so much grounded energy, that it was so easy to tap into the consciousness of myself. But it was also very easy to lose track of my consciousness because everything just is. There's a lot of silence. So it's either you choose consciousness and that love, or you allowed the silence to overtake your mind and let your mind run. Oh my god. How effing cute. No way! This is insane. This is so pretty. Oh look, mushrooms are growing from it. You know what this reminds me of? What? The rocks remind me of the rock people from Frozen. Oh my god, the sun's literally shining perfectly here. Oh my god! I'm literally gonna cry. We ended up finding this little creek and I decided to go inside the water, not all the way in, but I did like dip my body in, and I also ended up falling on my ass, so that was a nice bruise, but it was so much fun. I was allowing myself to explore and allowing my child self to heal, and yeah, it was so beautiful. And I'm literally like, I was thriving. I said hi to the people. I was literally living my best life, as I should. You found the gym? Yeah, the beavers. It was literally something that was on my bucket list, is to go to a waterfall. And look at me now. Hard work. Oh my gosh. I have to get more down. How much would you return me? Yeah, how much would someone would pay you to To sit there. Yep.
To sit there? That's what I was gonna go do.
No.
Well, not in the middle. Why would I sit in the middle?
It always feels so nice to reunite with my sister. It feels like I can actually be myself, and when you live in an environment that's so conditioned according to what the people around you want you to look like, be like, talk like, and getting out of that, at least for moments of and periods of times whenever you can, is so healing to the soul and the inner child. And it just feels so nice to let go sometimes and actually be yourself. And I give thanks every single day that I have at least one person that can hold that space for myself as I do for them, and growing that. And you know, not everyone is as conscious as each other, but there are people who will still hold that space, even if you guys have different belief systems or different ways of lifestyles, but they are still important people to hold on to. It's me and Sally. We just got back from the waterfall, and me and Sally are here. We're on the golf course. What's up, everyone? It's the last day, and I'm not supposed to be checking it right now, but let me get back here. I also do fly today, but this is my last day as well. This was a very fun trip, and I wouldn't change it for the world, and I am literally coming back like way sooner. Well, like literally like next week. I'm literally just stopped by this little creek. There's a wasp. Or I don't know if that was a wasp or a dragonfly, I don't know. But this is so cute, and you can swim in this. Oh, this is iconic. Okay, nature. Ooh, there's my. Oh my gosh. Hello, my baby. Hello. Hi. And that was the end of my Oregon trip. Why does my hand look green? Love, literal, actual love energy. But yeah, that was the end of my Oregon trip. I'm currently sitting at a cafe, just finished editing this. And yeah, it's currently Mercury retrograde, so decision making, you know, becoming clear with the universe. Very interesting. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please. It really does help out a lot, and we've been growing so much, so as we should. See ya.